How to fix Roblox not launching. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button on top right corner of your screen and search apps. In here, you'll find apps and notification. Click on apps and notification and then click on app info. In here, search for Roblox. Click on Roblox and then force stop the app. After that, go to Storage and Cache, which is below Permission and other mobile data and Wi-Fi. Clear cache and clear storage. After you've done that, simply restart your device, open Roblox, log into your account, and you're good to go. This is how to fix Roblox not launching. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.